love you. So yeah, I couldn't go to church on Friday because I was eating a dinner with my family. We went to Mexico, by the way. It's close to my house and it's amazing. I had a cheese and bean burrito and a Mexican soda, strawberry flavored. And what was this? So yeah, it was awesome. Anyway, so I'm probably gonna go to church tomorrow if I can. So yeah, can't wait to see you. Anyway, I know this is random, but I really want to see that movie, Planet of the Apes. That's pretty darn cool. It looks cool, and I want to see Smurfs and stuff. So anyway, you have to vote for Damien McGinty, okay? So he's on the Glee Project, and I hope you know what that is. If you don't, you're crazy. You have to watch it. It's the bomb. Anyway, this is like the last day, or tomorrow's last day, something like that. And Cameron, his BFF, or his mate, I think to call it, is beating him, okay? Like, by that much. So, you have to vote for Damien on Oxygen.com on Glee Project, and you have to vote for him, okay? So we can win. You just have to. Because this is a girl in my class, she's on Cameron's side, we're on, the rest of the class is on Damien's side, and we have to win. So, yeah, you have to vote for him, please. He's Irish. He has an Irish accent. And he is the bomb. So, yeah. That's pretty much it. I love you, Jay. And I hope maybe I'll see you tomorrow if you go to church or something. So, yeah, bye.
So tell me, can we soar across the sky? I wanna see the